Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another plan with me today. This one is in my Fauxbonichi using the new lockdown kit. This kit came out on Saturday. It features Bob in lots of different lockdown scenarios. So we have bottle of hand wash, we have Bob FaceTiming, showing the social distancing of 2 meters, Bob reading, Bob kind of crafting, Bob crochet and knitting needle, Bob baking, TV there, and it actually has like the Netflix thing where it's asking you if you want to actually continue because you've been watching it for so long, and Bob cleaning. So kind of all things that I myself have been doing during lockdown, but also I know lots of other people have been doing too. So this is the kit I'm going to be using. I'm going to quickly flip through and show you last week. So this is last week's spread. We're going back to kind of distance learning, home learning next week. So I'm going to stick with having 3 things that we want to try and achieve throughout the day. And I'll probably stick with this layout because it worked quite well this week. So I'm going to stop waffling and get sticking. So here's my final spread. I've kind of put these pictures on days that they work well with. So on Monday it's kind of a cleaning day. Tuesday I'm hoping to FaceTime with the family again. Thursday, me and my husband are having a bake-off competition each Thursday. It's my week to bake, so that's why I've got baking Bob then, and the others kind of just fit in around it. I've got space for my meals, to-do list, and my habits, and tracking reading and then working out, new release box, and then these are some checklists of things I'd like to do for the shop. Then I have spaces for memories from each day, something I'm thankful for, something I'd like to remember. And that's it. I'll quickly show you what I have left of the kit. So I have some deco and a couple of boxes there. Small deco, some checklists and some icons, and then lots of icons and a couple of half boxes. So I'm going to stick that in the front in case I need that later on in the week. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! So new releases for this week are my Aurora kits. This is the full-sized Erin Condren kit. We have the full boxes and check boxes, half boxes, little things, the deco, date covers and the headers. All of these sheets are available a la carte as well. So it's the full size kit. It also comes as a mini / bullet journal kit. This is the type of kit that I'll use in my own bullet journal. There's the first page and the second, third page and the fourth page. It also comes as a Hobonichi Weeks kit. So there's the first page and the second page and the final page. All of these will be out on Saturday. The last new release for this week is my May kit. I've gone with the same artwork as the Mother's Day kit because I kind of thought we have April showers and then it brings May flowers. So this is a Hobo monthly kit, and it fits really nicely in a Fauxbonichi as well. So there's the first page and the second page. So these will all be out on Saturday. If you're looking in my shop at the moment, while we're all on lockdown, if you use the code HOMESCHOOL, all one word, you will also get 20% off, and there's free UK delivery, so make use of that while you can. I mean, let's face it, I think we're going to be in lockdown for a while, so you know, you don't have to use it right now. But I think that's it. I'll see you next week. Bye!